I'm Karen Nichols of Mouse Breath Magazine, and I've joined the Purina One Cat team as they continue on a journey to explore the cat's true nature. The experts at Purina One have encouraged us to play with our cats for 15 minutes each day, something we've always done with our cats. My playtime with Trip consists of about 15 minutes of play exercise since he needs to lose some weight. In this session, he's going up a ramp, jumping onto a pause box on which he has to sit until given the command to go, through a tunnel, he loves this tunnel, through weave poles, and over a jump. He has to sit and stay at both the beginning and the end of each run. I like to think that many of the things I'm asking him to do during this session mimic behaviors of cats in the wild. Whether or not that's true, Trip really loves these sessions.
Sit. Good boy. Okay, are you ready? Sit. Yep. Sit. Let's go. Sit.